Everybody, we are going to do the next editing paragraph on Jesse Owens. I do have a really cool video of Jesse Owens to show you from back in 1936 when he competed in the Olympic Games, which you've read in this paragraph. But first of all, let's edit and revise the paragraph, keeping in mind that we want to use the correct symbols because those are universal. People all over the world would be able to edit and revise using those same symbols. Okay, so let's do our best here. I'm going to go with blue. It says Jesse Owens was born on September 12th, 1913. Looks good to me. He was an American athlete. Let's add an N there. Treat it like a spelling mistake, so circle it and add the caret to kind of point where that N goes. Remember the old rule that you guys learned way long ago. If the next word starts with a vowel, we must use an as an article instead of a or the, okay, which is something we'll talk about later. We have these articles, which are just really boring adjectives or describing words, the, and, a. Okay, so we have to use and there so it doesn't say American. Okay, it just makes it a little bit smoother. He was an American athlete who competed in track, spelled wrong, need the C in there, and field events. Well, why is there a question mark there? Not necessary. Let's use one of those curly cues, change it to a period. We're good with the capital O here. One day, while Jesse was in college, he broke 3 world records and tied another. We need to put this kind of tied. There we go. All that happened in just 45 minutes. Another spelling mistake. In my mind, I always say minutes when I spell that word. Just a little tidbit. In 1936, Jesse competed at the Olympic Games in Berlin, Germany. Berlin, of course, needs to be capitalized. It's a specific place. He won 4 gold medals. Now, this one is kind of hidden here, but this is a misspelled word here. I'll just go to the side here. And you know what? Wrong 4. We need the number 4, don't we? I almost missed that one. Miss Michela. Jesse was one person, right? Awarded the Medal of Freedom by President Ford in 1976. Just like the last paragraph with the senator, president is also part of the name, so that too should be capitalized. Let's see how we did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, we got it.